Hello students, today you're going to take Cornell notes in your notebook on natural resources. So let's begin. So today we read about natural resources. So natural resources is any material that is used by humans that comes from Earth. This category can then be divided into two separate categories. But for now, let's write a definition for this. So some examples would be wood or gasoline. Woods that we build our homes with and our buildings come from nature. Gasoline comes from the ground, which is nature as well. Question you can use any question that you can think of, or you can copy the one I have here. The one I'm thinking of is, where do natural resources come from? And the answer was, they come from Earth and they're used by humans. Take a minute to copy that down. Like I said, you can create your own question if you want, and then move on to the second part of the notes. So for number 2, natural resources, make it in a box. Natural resources can be divided into two major categories. This is important for you to know. It's going to guide our whole unit for the next couple weeks. Natural resources can be divided into renewable and to non-renewable. Renewable means that the resource is always being replaced. So people can use it often as much as they want, and there's always more, plenty more for humans to keep using, or animals. Non-renewable means that there's only a limited amount of that resource. It sometimes renews, but it's very, very slow. It takes thousands or even millions of years for the resource to come back. So let's write specific definitions for this. So you see the renewable resources are resources that are replaced quickly, like trees, water sometimes. Now trees sometimes too, if we cut too much of them, it takes a long time for them to renew. But generally, resources like trees, they grow fast. Within 20 to 25 years, a tree can be replaced. And non-renewable resources would be resources that are replaced slowly, such as oil. Oil takes a long time. The oil that we turn into gasoline for cars takes millions of years to replace. Let's make up a question. So you can come up with your own question, or you can write down my question. What is the difference between renewable versus non-renewable? Make a solid line. You are to write 3-sentence summary and 1 advanced question. This is the end of this video. Move on to the next step.